Example number 11. A equals to 2, 5, 3, 9, 12, 30. This time I have print of A of colon 0, which returns empty list. Look at here. If you skip the 0 on the left side, by default the program will run from the 0 indexing value, even if you don't have any value on the left of the colons. So it's pretty clear that we are gonna start from the 0 here. But when it comes to the right side, we have 0. We have 0 indexing. We have 0 indexing. What is the value of this list and 0 index value? 2. 2 is the value. 2 is the value at index 0. At index 0 in the memory. But why we got empty list? Because remember, on the right of the colons, whatever value you have, the last value is not counted. The last indexing value is excluded. You have to go before the last value. For example, if you have 0 indexing, which means that 0 is not included. 0 is not included, therefore we don't have 2 here. We have empty set. If you have 1 here, then 1 is not included. Just before 1, everything is included, but 1 is not included. So you will get 2 here. If you have 3 here, then the value at 3 index value is not included. The rest of the values are included, like 0, 1, 2. So you will have 2, 5, 3 here. If you have 3 index value, because at index value 3 we have 9. 9 is not included. Before the 3, everything is included, but 3 is not included. So the last value on the right of the colons is not included. That's why we have empty set. 2 is not included. 2 is at 0 indexing, which is the last value. It is not included. Before 0, we don't have any value. 2 is the first value. So before 2, we don't have any value here. Therefore, it returns empty set. This is the first way to find the indexing. You can also go for the second method and also for the third method. It is up to you. Up to this stage, I hope you understand that how to do the first method, how to do the second method, and how to do the third method. I'm not going to repeat this again and again. I'm going to take only method 1. You can go for method 2 and for method 3 as well. It is up to you. If you go for method 2 and for method 3, you will get the same empty set. There will be the same output for all the methods.